Hey everybody, this is Matt, and I want to share with you how exactly you could use Wakelet to create a playlist. Now, this is an example right here of something I developed on the book Breadwinner. And so we went through and we had, what exactly is oppression? Here's a definition of oppression that students can look more to. And then there are lists of videos here to talk a little bit more about the topic. What I like about Wakelet is that it takes out the advertisements and also the promo videos that you see on YouTube and just simply gives you the video. So I'm going to play this. You can see right here. Here's the video. I'm going to go to this one. Here's the other one. And here is the other one. Now I can always go back simply by going here. I also like the ability to use some of the accessibility features on Wakelet. And you'll see this right here is a text box that I created. And you could have Wakelet read it to you through the immersive reader feature. So let's go here. Let's press play. So that's a great way of developing accessible materials for students on a particular topic. All right, so how do you actually do this? Well, let's show you how that works. So first of all, you'd want to go to Wakelet. Go to wakelet.com and create a free account. The next thing you would do is create what is called a collection. So what I just shared with you just a minute ago, that is a collection. When I click on the collection, I can add a variety of different things like a cover photo. So I can upload an image or I can choose from the image library. So there's tons of different things that I can search for. And let's say, for instance, I want to look for ocean. Okay, right here. Can just go ahead and put in my cover image, and let's just hit refresh here so that it'll pop up. All right. So then what I can do here is I can give this a title. So I'm going to call this book title, and I can give a description right here. Now here comes the part of adding the content. So down here you can hit plus and you can add either something with a web address, text, an image, a bookmark, something that you've bookmarked, upload a PDF, or connect an app. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to YouTube and I find a really cool video that I want to use on YouTube. So let's go right here and let's do this one right here where Juju Smith Schuster is um, making a fool of himself. And if you're a Steelers fan, then he wasn't making a fool of himself. But here is this right here. Let's go and add something else. So I'm going to add some text, and I will say dancing. Look at Juju. Now, if I wanted to add a website as well, um, so let's actually do Juju Smith Schuster, and let's have him dancing on Cincinnati logo. Okay, and let's say, for instance, that this is the article that I want students to be able to access. I'm going to click right here on Learn More and put a little link right here. Add link. Hit done. Voila. I can also add right here. I could add the web address simply by doing this too. So either way works. It's just going to it depends on what you're trying to do. So if you have a description and you have a list of different websites, you could um, put a link right in there. All right. The other thing that I can do as well is I can add images, I could add PDFs, and yes, I can connect different apps, such as if I wanted to connect to Flipgrid, if I wanted to connect to Google Drive, if I wanted to connect to OneDrive. And what I also like on here is that you can change the layout. So layout wise, this is the media view. However, you can do what is called the grid view. So voila, right there. You can go right here. You can do the mood board. Okay, that's the mood board. And I believe you can move things around just like this. There's also the ability to just do the compact view, which you see right here. So it's really up to you on how you want this set up. Now, right here, you can choose access. So you can make it unlisted. You can make it public so that everybody can see. I'm just going to choose unlisted so that only my students can see it. I'm going to hit done. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to share it. So I can share this collection. And what I love about this is that there's different ways to share it. So if this right here, I want to share it as a link, if I want to send it to Google Classroom or Teams, I can export it as a PDF, or I can even embed it on my website, my choice. So what does it look like when you actually share this? Well, let's go ahead and open up a new incognito window and we'll show you, and this is what it's going to look like. Voila, there you go. So you can customize this very easy, but it does give you the ability to share resources with your students in a one-stop shop. This is great if you're in a hybrid situation, a remote situation, or even just face-to-face. And if you wanted to save this, here's a little tip for you. Not only can you create a QR code right here, but you can also do this. You can actually click, let me just go over here and create a QR code on Chrome now. So for any website. So those are some tips and tricks for creating a playlist on Wakelet. It's a crash course on Wakelet as well. So let me know what you think by leaving a comment below.